Hey there, gang, and welcome to the Locker Room. Coach Gigs here, and today's message, Release the Past. It's been said that the majority of conversations by men over 40 are about the past. Sometimes it's about the good old days, and sometimes it's about dreams gone bad, and if I'd only done this story, missed opportunities, etc., and on it goes. Letting our past sins and mistakes dominate our thinking robs us of our present joy and our future happiness. It causes us to miss the real opportunity of today, right now. John Maxwell, in his outstanding bestseller, Failing Forward, gives some very practical advice. He says, quote, "To move forward today, you must learn to say goodbye to yesterday's hurts, tragedies, and baggage." Ooh, he couldn't have said it better. You can't build a monument to past problems and fail forward, he said. Your best days, folks, yours and mine, are definitely ahead of you if you treat your mistakes as the necessary lessons to be learned from. Many people can't achieve success because they won't let their past go. When I was growing up, I had no idea that my future would be in sales or in sales management. I went to school for electronics and found myself very unhappy on that assembly line. Was this a mistake? No. I learned that while my whole family worked with their hands, I was dangerous with a screwdriver. So I went into the people business and fell in love with it and have been doing it ever since. So let your setbacks, your disappointments, your failures move you forward so that you can live, like I have, your best life ever. Thanks for joining me, gang, and we'll see you in tomorrow's broadcast. You know what to do. Click the button at the bottom and share it, and click the other button at the bottom and tell everybody you can about our great company. Talk to you later, gang. Have a great day.